2016 Jetta 1.4 liter. The complaint is no power steering. Did an inspection and we found a rat or something chewed up the wires. The harness for the power steering, so we're gonna do a quick repair on these wires.
Part number VAS 197-8-35. Write down the wire color?
Yeah, socket 2 is orange, black. 3 is orange, brown. And number 1 is black. First thing first, you have to loosen up the lock. So I'll just go back 1 click. The purple lock inside. All right. Alright, so there's 1. So you reuse your seal if you can. Okay. Check the orientation. Alright, we're back in there. Make sure you're nice and open there. Alright, next one.
So does one push them out and one pushes them in, or?
No, none. Put your hand pushes them in.
Gotcha.
Your next one here.
But definitely try to reuse the seal if possible.
I mean, the seal that came in the connector always works better for whatever reason. The seal they will try to give you in parts. Okay.
And that's just pushing them out?
Yep. That's just closing the 2 locks. That's pushing on those 2 locks right there.
Gotcha. This wire is expensive?
Yeah, these are like $30 a piece.
30 bucks a piece. Holy smokes.
Okay. Clean up your openings. Okay. Lock the lock again. All of them are coming out. Yeah, I'm just pushing the seals in. Open it up a little bit. Alright, that seems like about where that's coming out of the harness. Okay.
Crimping them?
Yeah, you always want to use a Deutsche crimp. Actually, let's do number 2 because this wire is a little more beat up, so we don't really have the length on it.
Those are nice.
I don't really like them.
No?
No. Some wires they work really good on, some not so much. Third setup here. So we got a nice
1, 2, and 3 now.
We got a nice stagger on the wire. We'll do that last wire. front connector. Okay, put a nice stagger there. It's nice and tight.
Just torching the ends.
Heat shrinking them, yes.
Heat shrinking.
Okay. All right, get some tape. Start at the top. Plug it in, back in the connector.
So we wrapped it around the 3 wires and then around the big harness.
Yeah, to give it some protection.
What is the name of that tape?